Welcome to today's tutorial. I'm your presenter, Mandona. In this tutorial, we are going to learn on how to paint on a road. So without wasting much of a time, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is insert an image that is containing a road. So all the shortcuts that I'm using are showing on your screen. After inserting the image, we need to insert the text. After inserting the text, we need to convert the text layer to a smart object. And now let us insert it in a perspective way. So we need to transform it. Then let's select the pixels. Select the layer that is containing the road, duplicate it, and drag the duplicated layer on top of the text layer. Let's change the blending mode from normal to something like add light. Then let's reduce the opacity between 80 to 90. Let's go to the text layer and click Ctrl U. Reduce the saturation to -100. The lightness to -20. And click OK. There you go. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you've learned something. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed.